Assalamu alaikum, hello, and welcome back everybody. This is Ahmed Nabil and I'm back again with this brand new video. Today's video, inshallah, I'm gonna be making a quick 2D motion graphics video inside of Blender. So without further ado, let's get it started. Add a material, choosing always we will choose emission when it comes to the 2D motion graphics. Um, so import, let's activate the images as planes, extension, or the add-on. Let's see pictures, screenshots. This one. Okay, let's go to shading. Change this to directly like this. Layout. So we can the color here. Then deleting this. Important. Another image from desktop. Let's see. This is 24 image. Let's scale it and change its position. Let's change its shading. Let's delete this principal BSDF, and we will need a mixed shader, a transparent BSDF. Let's choose it, and let's connect this here and connect this here. Didn't really work. Emission, choose it. This is gonna be the factor, and this is gonna be okay. Oh man, I messed this up. I just forgot to link this like this, so let's see how can we mm-hmm. So as you can see, this is the node setup for a transparent emission image. And let's complete what we were doing. I'd like to add shakiness to this to this image. So okay, rotation, and let's go to the graph editor and add a modifier to this, noise modifier, G Z. Just back, and let's delete this. No, in the Z axis only we will need this shakiness. So let's so this is sounds fine to me. Just no. Okay, this is fine. Then we will go to again to the timeline. I will make a new empty, or actually I will just at the beginning of this animation I will add a keyframe to this photo to slide into this scene. So I will add a keyframe for the location, then and at the beginning this gonna be here, something like this, and add a key gain for the locations. Right, can be a bit faster, and I may add a motion blur to this motion blur. Let's render this frame. No motion blur added. Okay, fine. Let's change this to 5, and then we go Shift A and add a text. This is gonna be specs, which change its font. So downloads. New mission, and that's fine. Let's scale it down a little bit and put it here. I think this is fine. Let's Shift D, take it a copy, scale it a little bit, something like this. I will add some more strings here, and I will change them, then I will go back again. I will come back again to you. Let's play back the animation and see what we got here. Smooth, offsetted, and nice text animation you can see. So let's turn back again these two and see the overall animation how it looks. So so that's it for today's video. See you in the next one, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace.